Hey yo web traveler! Today we are opening this box. Let's remove this plastic. So how does this set called, you may ask? Well, I didn't know either, but now I can see it is called Rosebush Garden. Where is that bush garden and why is it roses? Maybe we will find out after opening this card, so let's just get to it. Is it magnetic? Yes, it is magnetic. Man, I love magnetic boxes. That's great. Okay, alright, what the fuck is this? Alright. So there's no packs. I have seen some of this kind openings. There are probably random cards in it, so it does act like a pack. My voice is getting... yeah, that's better. My voice was getting fucked. But at the other side, you couldn't see because it won't fit in my shop. God damn it. Well, we have this. And there's some plastic strings on it, or there's maybe glue. I think that's glue. The box is beautiful, but we are here for the cards. So let's see what we have here. Let's just... Ooh, it opened. Okay. That's nice. Easy way to open your cards without damaging them. So that's great. Yeah, now from the looks of it, we have a very thick card, few thick cards and few normal cards, and probably something in between because there's that weird gap in there. I don't know what it is. And how do you pull them? Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, I did it. Without damaging them, probably, hopefully. That's the most anticlimactic card ever I've seen in opening. Oh wait, there are few of them. Oh, maybe I have the whole picture. I hope so. I may have different pieces of different pictures, which would suck ass. But we'll see how it goes. Well, this one is outside and this one is inside, so that's probably not the same picture. Oh boy, what the fuck is this? That's probably also from the inside. Oh, maybe it's like the window. So maybe, alright, okay. Like there's some texture on it and yeah, obviously a shine that you can see. That's probably all I get for like complete your picture pieces. They have different names. Alright, so thank you for that. Because now I don't have to wonder which card goes to where. And oh my god, there are a lot. So I have right now 4 different pictures. I don't know, man. I don't love when there's that much in a set because it's just becoming annoying. So please don't do this. But now we go for the first card, and the rarity is, I don't know English, JX? Yeah, oh god. I was trying to read that, well, it's like just there in the corner. It's an alright shine, it's also alright card. I don't feel any special about it, but it's probably the special card. And then we have another card. Other than like a different background, it has kind of similar features as the JX, so I don't see it being more special or less special. But I like these leggings, so that's something, right? And while we move to the next card, I'm gonna do it off screen because now you can see like 2 cards at a time and me also, so that's not good. So I'm gonna just take 1 card and don't look to the left. That's one is CP. We have seen this kind of effect in Maiden Party, where CP have like a rainbow outlining, which is nice. I mean, that's okay. At least this is like a feature that separates the rarities. Also different back. All of them have different backs, meaning different rarities. By the way, if you're interested in this box, of any box whatsoever, and you want to score 1 free promo pack, you can send a message to the seller below while you're ordering a booster box. The message is tcgcomrade, and you will get 1 promo pack free added to your order. Which means if there are already promo packs setting with that box, you will get 1 extra. Just to remind that to the seller, because there are a lot of people working there probably, and sometimes they forget stuff. So remind them like, hey, I use the code tcgcomrade and there's already a promo pack with this listing, so I should get 2 of them. And you will. Now we go to the next rarity, MR, and I don't know why, but I like MR more than the rest. And I think we are going in order from epic to less epic. At least I think that's how it goes. I don't know if the whole box is Genshin Impact. I have not very good knowledge about this kind of stuff. I mean, I think we will figure it out down the line. I don't think this is Genshin Impact, so it's probably not all of it is Genshin Impact. But maybe a lot of it is like games. Second MR, looking fine, looking nice. There you go. Is this Fate? I don't know, it kind of reminds Fate, but it's probably not. Let me know in the comments if this is Fate or not. Or any character that you recognize, and I didn't, which is probably all of them. Let me know who those are, because I want to know. Oh shit. Oh, first of all, there are 2 cards. I didn't look at the card below. Second of all, they have the 3D card. That's a really nice surprise. I mean, alright. I take it, I like it. This one works great. And looks great, by the way, also. But this one doesn't work that good, like where it's the red dress. Because you still can see the black clothing from the other side. I still love it. It's still a nice card. Too bad I don't know which character that is. Like always. So what do we have here? We have here another piece. Ah, god damn it. Please, it is LJGG. Oh, man, I hope I will not take another piece like this right now. I did. Oh my god. Don't tell me all of them are like this, because that is just shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. The box doesn't sell itself right now. We have another piece like this, and we have a leg. Alright, and what do we have there? Also a piece, okay. How many are there? Please stop. I don't mind if I could complete at least one picture, but now we moved on from thick cards that have 4 sets at least to thin cards that have probably more than 4, because that's how I would assume it. We have already 5 freaking different sets of, not sets, the pictures that you need to complete. It's fucking, hey, alright. Thank you so much for stopping that nonsense. Although probably when this set is completed, it will look great, because I also have seen some sets that are just like, oh, well, you can complete this picture and it just looks like meh. From the look of it and the shine and all the elements, it would look great, only good luck completing it. That's the only problem with it. But we have finally some cards. The other were also cards. Dummy me. Some characters, that's what I meant. And this is an SSR, and I don't know why, but SSR just looks better than those other rarities that we started with. Probably, I'm just not a really big thick card lover. This just looks better, in my opinion. And also, maybe that's the Booba. Maybe the Booba doing the magic. That can be a thing. What can I say? Maybe the Booba is doing the magic. You know what? That's definitely one of the possibilities. I like this one. What can I say? We have oh fuck me! Come on, man. I'm just said it. Fucking get out of here. Okay, good. We have characters again, and also very big Booba again. I mean, that's some Booba box there, man. Like that. Oh, hey, another face. Okay. Oh fuck, I don't remember these letters. It's probably again the other picture that you can complete. Not big Booba, but I'm still a fan. Don't get me wrong. It's very nice also. We have another eye. Okay, and that's the letters I also don't recognize. Fuck you. Ooh, I love this one. I really love this one. Just these leggings, man. That's the thing I like to see, man. Oh my god. God damn, son. Oh no! Oh, is it a Booba? It looks like a Booba. Okay, that's the best piece so far. Then we have. Woo! Wait, is this Asuka? Asuna. Asuna. My bad. Oh my god, is this Asuna from Sword Art Online? I look at the back as if it's gonna be some information there, like in God Store, but there's not. Are there fans for the armpits? They're like, this is your card, man. Don't worry. The box gotcha. Okay, we go back to Big Boobas again. Alright. I obviously don't know the characters. God damn it, man. Okay, sure. Oh snap! Okay, best one so far. I'm a Mona simp. What can I say? Probably because she reminds me of Rin Tosuka. That's probably the hair that does it for me, man. And lack of closing that does it for me with this card. So goddamn fucking, come on, stop it. There's so much. Holy shit! Oi! That's some SSR right there. God damn. How? Yeah, obviously, like, I mean, this or this. Yeah, I choose for this any day. Man, you fucked up your relatives, man. I'm still looking at the backstory. Damn, that's a nice card. Nice. Okay, we have another eye. Didn't I have? Oh wait, I might. I think. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Now I can display this and never completed it. How about that? Oh, okay. We have hey, that's a recognizable character. Isn't Genshin Impact? I think so. Nice. I mean, the quality of this SSR is fine. It's good. I will buy this any day. But just the whole feel of the box is kind of weird. Like, they're thick cards, they're thin cards. Pretty card is cool though. But all these shit pieces like this to complete, man. If those were actual cards, this box would be like amazing. Okay, I feel the last card is here, and it is really thick. It is the thickest card so far. I don't know why they do it. I fucking hate it, but it doesn't matter. Oh my god, look at this number. Anywho, it's a little bit damaged there also. It might have been me, but I don't know, man. It's kind of thick. I don't know if I did it. But okay, that's a card. ZR, character I don't know, so I can hype about it. I was more hyped about this. Maybe it says something about me, and maybe it says something about this box. You decided, and let me know in the comments. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in another one. Web Travelers.